Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy A01 core, and today I will show you how you can apply tempered glass on display and the smartphone, and the same process will be on the smartphones like Samsung Galaxy M01 core and Samsung Galaxy A3 core, because it's almost the same device. So the first we have to start, we have to prepare a good source of light. As you can see in my display, I can spot fingerprints and also other mess. So it's very important to see a very mess that we have on the screen. And next we have to open a box with our tempered glass. Inside you will find glass and also two wipes, wet and dry. And at the first we are going to use the wet one, so we can open it right now. And you have to make simple moves in the circle. You have to reach a very corner and the very edge to make your display clean. And after that we have to move for the dry one. Okay, and as you can see right now, the display looks really nice. So we can start with tempered glass. We have to at the first take off this foil, this sticker, and it will follow the foil that is under tempered glass. So we have to make it like that. As you can see, it's very simple. And let's keep holding the bottom part and put the upper section of the tempered glass on your display. Keep holding the bottom part. You can move it a little bit on the left side, and I think that right now it looks cool. So we can finally put the bottom part. And right now we can, for example, touch the middle of the tempered glass with our finger and take a look. As you can see, it goes almost automatically. As you can see, right now we can use the dry wipe to remove air from the glass. I mean underneath the glass. Okay, and as you can see right now, it's finished, so we can finally use our device. I'm going to turn it on. And as you can see, that's how we can apply tempered glass on the smartphone. So, if you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.